In the previous video, you understood about how do we get the empirical formula of probability, correct? And also you guys discussed about how it's the probability of an event and what is it and how we are going to get it. Now, in this particular video, we are going to understand, suppose say you have two events A and B. Okay. Now, with these two events, say you are trying to calculate the probability of A union B or A intersection B. So what we are going to do with that one, that's what we are going to discuss. Fine. Now there are two methods for this one. Okay, the first method is going to be the algebraic method. Second method is going to be the Venn diagram method. Fine. Let's do the Venn diagram method first because it's easier to understand. That's all. Now for that one, let's say take we have a circle. Okay. Say you have a circle like this. And in this one, see this is one say set. Say you have one more set here. Okay, let's take this as one more set, which is going to be like this. Okay, say the set is B and say the set is A. So we have A and B. Now remember, in between this particular area, what you're seeing, this area is nothing but A intersection B, correct? Now we are trying to figure out what is the entire area because the entire area gives us A union B, correct? So for A union B, what we'll do, very simple. First we'll take A because A is going to give us this entire thing. This entire thing is A, isn't it? So when you take A, we'll take probability of that event A. That means probability of this entire event to occur. Okay, then plus probability of B. Probability of B gives us this entire thing. So the entire thing is probability of B, correct? See, along with P of A and P of B, one thing if you notice, we are including the intersection twice, correct? I hope this is clear. We are including the intersection twice. One in P of A, one more in P of B. So since we are including it twice, what do we do? We subtract it once. That means P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is going to give us P of A union B. Alright, so this is going to be the formula for P of A union B. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Fine? So this is the formula, very, very important formula. The same thing we can also do it by another way. That is, see, if you look at this one, okay, so if you look at this one, this is nothing but A minus B, correct? And this is nothing but B minus A. So we can also write P of A union B is equal to P of A minus B, correct? Union P of A intersection B, correct? Union P of B minus A. That is nothing but this one, first one, the intersection part obviously, and this part. That's why A minus B, union intersection, union B minus A. So this is the formula for P of A union B. So there are two formulas. The first formula, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, most commonly used formula. Okay. Now comes the next part. What if we have mutually exclusive event? See, if mutually exclusive events are there, then intersection would be 0 because its intersection is null set. So P of A intersection B would be 0. So P of A union B is nothing but P of A plus P of B. Alright. So we have A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. Or we can also call it as disjoint set. If they are disjoint, then A intersection B is null set. So P of A union B, this becomes P of A plus P of B, because null set intersection. So the probability is going to be 0 for that. So P of A plus P of B becomes P of A union B. And this is specifically for what type of sets? Mutually exclusive or disjoint sets. Fair enough? Now the next thing is, what if you have three sets A, B and C? Then how do we do P of A union B union C? This is the next part. Okay, I'll just write down the formula for that. If you have P of A union B union C, this is going to be P of A plus P of B plus P of C, okay, minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula. In some problems and in some cases we might use this, but not in all of it. In most of the cases we are going to use just P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Understood? So this is what we have for union and intersection part. Fine? So based on the formulas whatever we have learned, we are going to solve few problems in the next video. But one thing, if you have not revised the combinations part, please do revise it and then we can start with the problems, because combinations are very much used in solving probability questions. Fine. In the next video, we'll look into few problems based on probability.